We think the most important criteria for selecting an investment firm are the manager, team, and track record. There is nothing more important to improve humanity than education. There is a disconnect between the performance in the stock market and the performance in many companies. There have been many very successful acquirers where they've bought up companies, and they've grown their earnings very rapidly, and the stock has appreciated tremendously. The stock market goes up or down, and you can't adjust your portfolio based on the whims of the market. So you have to have a strategy in a position and stay true to that strategy and not pay attention to noise that could surround any particular investment. The important thing in investing is to be true to your compass. The financial crisis was linked to the fact that banks had excessive leverage and too many risky assets. The solution is not to try to dictate to banks what they can do or not do, but to require them to strengthen their capital to absorb potential losses and hold less risky assets. The discrepancy between equity earnings yields and treasury yields is at an all-time high. The days of CEOs getting rich while shareholders lose has got to end. Management must be accountable. Our goal is not to outperform all the time. That's not possible. We want to outperform over time. Our goal is to preserve principle, not to lose money. No one strategy is correct all the time. New York periodically goes through a real estate crisis. I didn't subscribe to the school that real estate only goes up. Many investors make the mistake of buying high and selling low, while the exact opposite is the right strategy to outperform over the long term. Investors that do the best and have done the best are those that stay and compound at above average rates over the long term. In many situations today, you can make far more than the spread by holding onto the acquirer's stock after the transaction is completed. If you rent, the rent goes up every year. But if you buy a 30-year mortgage, the cost is fixed. If you don't own a home, buy one. If you own one home, buy another one. And if you own two homes, buy a third and lend your relatives the money to buy a home. If you are looking for a hedge for potential inflation for the future and have a longer-term view, then gold is still a good bet. I think buying a home is the best investment that any individual can make. I still think, from an individual perspective, the best deal investment you can make is to buy a primary residence that you're the owner-occupier of. I got a piggy bank and the goal was to fill it up. I avoid the media. I'm not sure that actually helps me. Not participating might make the media more interested. Historically, gold has always been a safe haven against inflation and a safe haven in times of political instability. Gold is very volatile in the short term and could as easily go down in the near term as go up. But if you're invested over a 3 to 5 year horizon, I think you'd be much safer in gold as a currency than the dollar. Fear-driven periods in the past have been used as buying opportunities for savvy investors. Everybody said home prices never had declined on a nationwide basis except during the Great Depression. Don't focus on weekly or monthly returns. An administration that supports growth supports everyone. You can't think about the past. You have to think about the future. When you have something that is perfect, that occupies a position and sector unrivaled by anyone else, that's one thing we do not want to tamper with. Well, the most important thing in investing is to know what you're investing in. And if you're confident in the outcome, it's important to stay true to your position. We're not going to play a winning hand every day. We view gold as a currency, not a commodity. Its importance as a currency will continue to increase as the major central banks around the world continue to print money. Some people like playing chess, some like backgammon. This is a game, and playing games is fun. It's more fun when you win.